Welcome to this Myriad RBM presentation on the MAP technology platform behind our quantitative immunoassay services. This presentation will focus on our technology and how it distinguishes us in the field of biomarker testing. We'll begin with a brief history of the company and how we have evolved the Luminex technology. Next, an explanation of our technology platform and how it is optimized for the discovery and validation of biomarker patterns for companion diagnostics and drug development. We'll then discuss our validation protocol and parameters. And finally, we'll highlight our validation process that adheres to clinical lab standards and enables us to provide high-quality data. In 1998, the founders of RBM were working at Luminex, and they had a vision to take a single drop of serum or plasma and from it measure hundreds of blood-based proteins with both great precision and accuracy. This concept became the multi-analyte profile, or MAP. In 2002, the creators of Luminex spun off rules-based medicine and became successful in realizing this vision. In 2011, our company became a wholly owned subsidiary of Myriad, a global leader in molecular diagnostics. Our name then changed to Myriad RBM. We are now one of the leading providers of multiplexed immunoassay services. How does this all work? It's based on the principles of the capture sandwich immunoassay, in which a capture antibody is paired with a detection antibody. The entire assay takes place on the surface of a microscopic bead. These microspheres are encoded with a fluorescent dye that is unique to the target protein. Laminar flow accelerates the beads in single file in front of a pair of lasers. The red laser excites the two fluorescent dyes that are embedded in each bead and tells us which bead we're looking at any given time. The green laser excites the phycoerythrin on the surface of the microsphere, and that's where the quantitative signal comes from. All of this data is read in real time using digital signal processing. This Luminex technology is the foundation of our multi-analyte profiles. What sets Myriad RBM apart from other labs is that we've taken the Luminex-based system and automated the front end. Robotic liquid handlers cut error introduced by manual pipetting and greatly increased the precision of our assays. After more than a decade of working in this environment, we've developed the expertise required to address the matrix effects that occur in complex biological fluids like serum and plasma. Our proprietary diluents and blocking reagents can eliminate up to 95% of the interference in these sample types. The result is a platform that is both extremely precise and highly accurate. The development of each of our assays includes an extensive validation process that uses many parameters to ensure a robust and reproducible assay. Our lab is CLIA certified and capable of fully supporting both GLP and clinical studies. Rather than testing one discrete analyte at a time, we can test for hundreds of analytes simultaneously, using only a very small sample volume. This technique helps to identify important proteins and patterns that would have been missed in approaches favoring a more limited scope. We develop immunoassays in a multiplex environment under assay development contracts with pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology companies, and other public sector customers like the National Cancer Institute, for example. This has provided RBM with a vast menu of biomarkers spanning many different biological pathways. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. We look forward to doing more testing for you in the future.